Hello friends. In this session we are going to see how to set up a course on Moodle. So first for that we need to create a course category and thereafter create a new course inside it. Mind you, you can only add course categories etc. only if you are an administrator. So here we are signed in as an administrator. So first, let us see how to add a new category. So in the administration block on the left, you have to select site administration. You go to courses, and under courses you have manage courses and categories. So once you click on that, on the center page here, you have all the course categories and the courses under it. So for instance, here we have management courses category, and in that category we just have one course here, that is business skills. So let us now try to create a new category called writing courses. And so let's do that. Let's click on create new category. So in that, first we decide whether we want this category under any other category of courses. So we don't want it under management, we just want it to be a separate category. So we write the category name, that is writing courses. You can include a category ID number if you wish to. Now, if you want any additional help on the fields, you can click on this question mark here. So it gives you a small little help here on a window. So you can check the pop-up and you can add the fields accordingly. Next, you can add a description, which is again optional. So in this, we will have all courses pertaining to writing, like content writing, technical writing, proposal writing, and so on. So we include a description for the course here, and then we click on create category. So as you can see, there is a category which is being created called writing courses. So let us see how to add a course under the writing courses category. So let's click on create new course. So let us first enter a course full name. So I wish to add course in content writing, and I want a short name for it. So I'll say CCW. And what's this course short name? This short name is displayed in the navigation and is used in the subject line of course email messages. So you can add an appropriate short name. Next, to decide under which category you want this course, so we will keep it under writing. Then you have the option of showing or hiding the course, because sometimes when you're in the course development stages, you do not wish to show the course to the students. So you can hide the course during that span of time. Next, you have the course start date. So the course start date is more relevant when you have the weekly format kind of course format, so that when we come to course format, we will see that you can actually choose topic wise format or weekly format. So when you choose a weekly format, then there is a start of the first week of a course in the weekly format. It starts with this particular date, and it also determines the earliest date that logs of course activities are available for. So accordingly, you select the course start date. Then you can add a course ID number again, which is optional. You can add a course summary. So for instance, suppose I want to say that this particular course has these subjects. So you can add a course summary if you want. If you have maybe a course file, some summary files that you wish to add, you can even drag those files onto this area, or you can add them separately. Next, we come to the course format section. So in this, as I was mentioning earlier, the most common format types are topics format and weekly format. So and in that you can decide the number of sections you want depending upon if it is weekly format, then depending upon the number of weeks, then you will have that many sections, or if it is topic wise, then depending upon the number of units you have, you will decide that many number of sections. You can again choose some options on choose some options for hidden sections and course layout, whether you want to show all the sections on one page or one section one page. Then you come to appearance, and you can select how many news items to show, whether you want to show the grade book, you want to show the grades on the activity, some activity reports that you wish to show. Next, you can decide the maximum upload size onto this course, whether you want to permit guest access, and if that is the case, then what is the password. Uh, we will also decide on the groups to be assigned here. Now, we will go into groups, we will cover groups in detail in a later module. So last, we have role naming, that is, you can have different names for the different roles in Moodle. You can have your own names. So once you're done with that, you can save and return. So as you can see, there is a new course created here, course in content writing. If you wish to edit the settings, then you click on this button and you have the settings back in front again. So you can change the settings and save and return. You can even delete the course by clicking on this particular icon, and you can also hide or show the course here. Now here you have already two categories, that is management courses and writing courses. So you can even move it up and down. So maybe I want to move writing courses down, or I want to push the management courses down, so I can do that accordingly. And I can also change on some settings by clicking on this particular icon. So in this session we have seen how to create a course category and also how to create a new course. Thank you.